Ahoy, sailors! Welcome back to the Cruise Ship Safety and Security channel. Imagine this, you're finally living your dream of being on a boat, the wind in your hair, the salt on your skin, and suddenly, your stomach decides to mutiny. Your world tilts, the cold sweats kick in, and next thing you know, you're hanging over the rail, making a generous donation to the fish. You might be thinking, not me, I don't get seasick. Oh, my sweet summer sailor. Seasickness does not discriminate. It has taken down Navy officers, world-class sailors, and that one guy who thought he was built different. But fear not, today, I'm going to teach you why seasickness happens, because your brain is a drama queen, how to prevent it before you even step on the boat, the best cures that actually work, and, if all else fails, how to puke with dignity. So grab a ginger ale and let's set sail, hopefully without losing our lunch. Alright, let's talk about why your body betrays you the second the boat starts moving. It all comes down to your inner ear, your brain, and the fact that nature is kind of a jerk. Your eyes, oh look, we're on a steady boat, everything is fine. Your inner ear, lies, we're rocking up and down like a roller coaster from hell. Your brain, wait, what's happening? We must be poisoned. Initiate purge sequence. And just like that, your lunch is no longer your lunch. Fun fact, even experienced sailors get seasick. The difference? They know how to handle it. And by the end of this video, so will you. Prevention is everything. If you don't want to spend your trip hugging a bucket, listen up. Where you sit on the boat makes a huge difference. The bow? Nope. You'll be riding the waves like a mechanical bull. The stern? Not bad, but still bouncy. The middle of the boat? This is your new home. The closer you are to the center, the less motion you'll feel. Bonus tip, on a cruise ship, find the lowest deck in the middle of the ship. You might look suspicious lurking around the crew cabins, but at least you won't be hurling into a souvenir bag. Some foods help prevent seasickness, while others turn you into a puking machine. Choose wisely. Best foods: crackers, bananas, plain rice, and ginger. We'll get to that in a sec. Worst foods: greasy burgers, spicy tacos, and anything from an all-you-can-eat buffet. Pro tip: dairy and alcohol? Bad idea. You don't want to discover what a milkshake and margarita combo looks like reversed. Trust me on this one. Ginger has been used for centuries to prevent nausea, but does it actually work? Let's find out. Science says yes. Ginger helps calm your stomach, which is why you'll see sailors chugging ginger ale like it's holy water. It's a lifesaver out there on the rough seas. Alright, let's talk ginger. The best options to help with seasickness are ginger tea, ginger chews, and ginger pills. Trust me, these can be lifesavers out on the open water. Now for the worst option. Drinking an entire bottle of ginger beer and thinking you're invincible. You'll just burp regret. Seriously, don't do it. You've probably seen those fancy wristbands with acupressure technology. Do they actually work, or are they just overpriced sweatbands? Let's find out. Science says, maybe. But, here's a trick that actually works. Press on a point about 3 fingers below your palm, on the inside of your wrist. Apply firm pressure and watch in amazement as your nausea starts to fade, or just look cool pretending you have secret ninja powers. Alright, so you ignored all my advice and now you're turning green. What do? Your brain is confused, so give it something stable to focus on. The horizon. Stare at a fixed point in the distance, keep your head still, try to breathe deeply, and pretend you're fine. Do not go inside, I repeat, do not go inside. Cabins are nausea dungeons. The moment you step below deck, it's over. Stay outside face forward, let the wind slap the sickness out of you. If all else fails, seasickness meds will save you. Dramamine works, but might knock you out for 12 hours. Bonine, also known as meclizine, less drowsy, but still effective. And then there's scopolamine patches. Stick one behind your ear and feel like a superhuman or a zombie. Warning, some of these can make you super sleepy. If you're the captain, maybe don't take them. Alright, so nothing worked, and now you're about to lose your lunch. Here's how to throw up with dignity. Aim downwind. Do not become a human sprinkler. Use a bucket if necessary. Your crewmates will thank you. Do not panic. Freaking out will only make it worse. And most importantly, don't fight it. Your body is rejecting your bad life choices. Just let it happen. So there you have it. How to beat seasickness like a pro. Follow these tips and you'll actually enjoy your boat trip instead of feeding the fish. Like and subscribe, or the next time you step on a boat, you're getting seasick, no exceptions, haha. Like and subscribe, or you'll be hugging a bucket on your next trip.